Hello FlowHCM family, welcome to the FlowHCM Working News series. At FlowHCM, improvement is not just limited to the software updates, but we have also upgraded how we share those updates, milestones, and progress we are building together with you. January was a very busy month for us. We were involved in everything from major product updates to go-live ceremonies, events, new client onboardings, and the workshops. So here's a quick look at how FlowHCM spent January 2026. Let's hear from Zunera what are the product updates for January 2026.
So the first update is hiring approval attachments. Attachments can now be added during the hiring approval process, allowing the approvers to review the supporting documents directly within the workflows. This ensures better documentation and more informed hiring decisions. Moving on to the next update. Employer status and revision filters in gazetted holidays. Gazetted holidays can now be filtered based on the employee status and religion. This enables more accurate holiday allocation and ensure compliance with organizational and regional policies. Here is another interesting one. Leave type grade-wise structures. Leave types can now be configured based on employee grades. This allows organizations to apply differentiated leave policies while maintaining consistency across levels. Up next, we have gratuity withdrawal process. A structured gratuity withdrawal process has been informed to manage employee requests more efficiently. This improves transparency, tracking, and compliance throughout the gratuity lifecycle. And finally, would like to highlight the last update for January, Provident Fund Withdrawal Report. A dedicated payer withdrawal report is now available for better visibility into employee withdrawal. This helps HR and finance team to track, record accurately, and maintain regulatory compliance. These were few of the updates we wanted to highlight as we continue our focus on making FlowHCM more efficient, flexible, and aligned with your evolving HR needs.
Thank you, Zunera, for sharing the updates with us. Beyond the product updates, we have been active on the ground as well. After successfully hosting the Karachi edition of Recon, the Rise of AI and HR, we went to Lahore and continued the conversation on the future of HR and tech. And the conversation did not stop there. We exhibited at ITCN Asia Lahore edition for 3 days and connected with the industry leaders, innovators, and HR professionals, and the response was amazing. Talking about the milestones we have achieved in January 2026, we onboarded and welcomed new amazing clients to our FlowHCM family. Let's have a quick look at who joined us in January 2026. Not only we have served the industry, but we have made a few contributions for the academia as well. As part of our ongoing commitment with Iqra University, we have conducted several workshops where we have helped students gain traction of their HR career and also equip them with the real-world knowledge and practical HR skills. In short, it was a month of connections, innovations, knowledge sharing, and growth. Thank you for watching this video. We hope to be back with a better news and better numbers. See you in the next video.